Hello everyone, welcome to Devlogic Studio. In today's video, we are going to understand one of the most important concepts in C Sharp and object oriented programming, that is class and object. If you are beginner in C Sharp or .NET development, understand these two concepts in very important because almost every program in C Sharp built using classes and objects. So in this video, we will learn what a class is, what an object is, how they work together, and we will also see a simple example in C Sharp. So let's get started. First, let's understand what a class is. A class is basically a blueprint or template used to create objects. In simple words, a class defines the structure of an object. It tells what properties and behavior an object will have. A class can contain three main things: field, properties, and methods. Field store data, properties provide controlled access to data, and methods define the action or behavior. Another thing, another important thing to remember is that a class itself does not occupy memory. So memory is only allocated when we create an object from that class. Now let's look at the syntax and simple example of a class in C Sharp. So to create a class, we use the keyword class followed by class name. So inside the class, we can define variables which are called fields or properties, and we can also define methods. So in this example, we have created a class employee, and this class contains three properties: ID, name, and salary. It also contains a method called display employee which prints the employee name and salary to the console. So remember, a class only defines the structure. It does not represent a real object until we create an instance of class. Now let's understand what object is. An object is simply an instance of a class. In other words, an object is real world representation created from a class. For example, if employee is a class, then a specific employee like John or Sarah would be an object. Memory is allocated when the object is created. Okay. So in C Sharp, we use the new keyword to create an object of class. For example, employee emp1 equals to new employee. So here emp1 is an object of class, and we can create multiple objects from the same class. Now let's see the syntax and example of object in C Sharp. So first we define a class, then inside the main method we create an object using the new keyword. Okay. So employee emp1 equals to new employee. Here emp1 is the object of employee class. After creating the object, we can assign values to its properties like emp1.id, emp1.name, emp1.salary, and then we can call the method emp1.displayEmployee. So this will display the information of the employee. So this is how object use the structure defined by the class. Now let's quickly look at some common interview questions related to class and object in C Sharp. So what is difference between class and object? So class is a blueprint and object is instance of class. So can we create multiple object of class? Yes, we can create multiple object of class. Explain real world example of classes and object. So we have already seen the real world example of employee class. Okay. So what is purpose of constructor? So we'll see the constructor in next video. Now let's quickly summarize what we learned in the video. A class is a blueprint used to define properties and method. An object is instance of class. A class defines the structure while object represents the real entity. In C Sharp, we create object using new keyword. Understanding class and object is the foundation of object-oriented programming in C Sharp. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you now clearly understand the concept of class in object in C Sharp. If you found the video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Theologic channel for more programming tutorials and interview questions. See you in next video.